So yesterday morning, had a call from the girlfriend, said all lights come on in the car and it's juddering. So I managed to get it back to the house, and I put a reader on it, and it's given me injector number 4. So we have a look at that today. So I'm still getting cylinder number 4. So I'll just pull that now. So I'll pull that now, and then hopefully I can clean it in ultrasonic cleaner. Strip it down, clean all the gubbins. If not, I'm gonna have to buy used or a new injector and have it coded in, which I don't really want to do, but it's not the end of the world. But it'd be nice if we could just clean it out and then put some injector cleaner through the system, through the fuel system. So yeah, we'll make a start now. We've just undone the nut here, bolt there. I'm just taking this off now, just to give me some access to the injectors. Okay, so we've got that pipe out the way, just these catches here now. It shows a pain in the arse. Never had to do anything on this before. Box back. You've also had the problem with it starting in the cold, so I'm hoping this is all related. Let's get a spanner for that one. That was really tight, that one. So I'm just gonna remove this bolt, and then we'll crack the fuel line. Hopefully she comes out without a fight. Always dangerous leaving up there, but I continue to do so. Right. That's the clamp that holds the injector in. Hopefully she will pull away. Oh. And there she is. That was easier than I thought, actually. So I'm going to put this in the vise now. Strip the tip down on it. I'm going to stick it ultrasonic cleaner. Hopefully it does a trick. So I've mounted this a few different ways. I think this is the best position. Let's hold on to this nut here. I will put something in here just to support it. So I've never took one of these apart before, but have a little look. Still hot. Still hot. Right. I'm not sure if they separate or not, but I'll look at that in a minute. This looks reasonable. See straight through the middle of that. No, I think it's this that's going to give us the issue. Ah, still hot that. Still hot. Right. The thing. This needs to go in the cleaner. Okay, so that's that all clean. I'm quite lucky that I've got access to the ultrasonic cleaner, but if not, possibly soak it in some injector cleaner. I'm not sure how well that would work, but you just want to get in here with loads of holes and you need to make sure they're clear. So I'll put this back together now, we'll see if it's worked. Right, so that's that sorted. Let's get it back on the car. Right, so that's all back together. We're going to clear the code first, and hopefully we get away with it. Right, so that's the code cleared. I'll start it up now and see what we get. So we got all 4 cylinders back. Let it idle for a minute.